Hello, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And what about you?
I am also fine. Tell me about yourself.
My name is Tanu. I am from Broth. I have passed 11th class and nowadays waiting for my 12th result and learning spoken English in Boston campus and learning basic computer course. So about my family. So there are 10 members in my family. My hobby to walk and dance, to play. I want to be a successful person. This is all about myself. Now, if you want to ask anything, so you may ask.
Do you study?
Yes, I study.
Have you ever gone to Mathura?
No, I not yet.
Would you like to go to Mathura?
Yes, I would like
With whom would you like to go to Mathura?
my friend.
Are you afraid alone, living alone?
Sorry.
Are you afraid living alone?
No, I do not affair living alone.
Alone. Who are you afraid?
I'm afraid my father.
Should you watch TV?
Yes, I should watch TV.
Would you like to do a job?
Yes, I would like to do it.
Would you like to go to the zoo?
Yes, I would like to go to the zoo.
Should you go to the zoo?
No, I do not should. No, I should not go to the zoo.
Should I go to the zoo?
Yes, I should. Yes, you should go to the zoo.
Do you dare to sing a song?
Sorry.
Do you dare to sing a song?
No, I do not dare to sing a song.
Should you use Patanjali product?
No, I do not. I should not Patanjali. Use Patanjali.
What have you passed so far?
I have passed 11th so far.
Where have you 11 pass from?
I have passed from Holy Angel Assembly.
What have you taken in your lunch? In in your breakfast?
Yes, I have taken my breakfast.
What have you taken your breakfast?
I have taken a cup of tea and biscuit.
Would you like to go to Kedarnath temple?
No, I would not like to go to Kedarnath.
Have you ever gone to Janta Vedic College?
No, I do not have a not yet.
Are you afraid of your father?
Yes, I am afraid of my father.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pen.
Would you give me a pen?
Yes, you may could give. Yes, I can give you my pen.
Do you have to study?
Yes, I have to study
Why do you have to study?
because I like it.
Would you like to ride a bike?
Yes, I would like to ride a bike.
Should you study?
Yes, I
Why should you study?
because I need to get a teacher because I want to earn money. Who does not want to earn money? Yes, I am fond of late night study. I study 3 to 4 hours. No, I'm not fond of taking tea. No, I not yet. No, I'm not fond married. I'm from Broad.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pen. Yes, you may use your pen.
Do you try to ride a bike?
Yes, I try to ride a bicycle.
Can you prepare tea?
Yes, I can prepare tea
Why can you prepare tea?
because I learn it. Yes, I like cooking. I like to cook pasta and Maggie. Yes, I dare to fight with Margarita. Same to you.